Okay, my daughter gets a lot of earwax in her ears. Her ears just make a lot of earwax. So I bought this ear irrigation bulb to review, and I read the directions, and it said you could just use it like this. You fill it with warm water, and you could just use it like this, and you'll see just like a plain tip at the end. Or you can put this 4-way irrigator on the end, and I'm going to use this. I like this because then you're not spraying straight. I don't know if you can see, you're not spraying straight, but you're spraying 4 little holes on either side. So it's going to give you more, it's going to be more forceful because it's a smaller hole that the water's going through, kind of like when you take a hose and you put your thumb over part of it, it gets more forceful, but also it's not going to be spraying straight into the ear. It's going to be spraying to the side. So I like that for the ear canal. This is very similar though to what they do in the doctor's office, is they just spray water in the ear, and we've talked with our doctor about that. And so you get water that's warm, just not like hot, just this is barely warm water, and you depress the ear bulb syringe in there and then let it fill up just like this. We're gonna try to clean your ear, okay? I'm gonna try to clean your ear. It's gonna be a little tickle. Is it a tickle? All right. And hopefully you can see I had a Chuck's pad. If you can hold like a cup, that's better, but this is what we were able to do. And you can see those little dark spots, that is just earwax that it flushed right out. And it tickles a little. I've done this to myself. It tickles a little. It's not like the most fun experience, but it doesn't hurt. It doesn't bother my daughter at all. And you can see that got some gunk out of her ear really quick. You're not pushing it in further like you could with Q-tips. So again, to fill this, oh, and there's the spray. It kind of just, but to fill it, you just depress it, stick it in the warm water, not super warm, just, you don't want it cold. You want it just a little warmer than room temperature. And I'm gonna fill it a little more. Let's clean it. Oh, that was a lot of stuff in that ear. Okay. That is all the stuff that came out of my daughter's ear from just a quick squirt. So you can see that would be, if I stuck a Q-tip in her ear, that would be pushing all that in there further. But this just irrigates it out. So I hope this helps you know if it's something you'd like to buy. It's very small, very portable, very easy to use. If you have Chuck's pads, you can wrap up around the ear. You can do this sitting up in bed and stay pretty dry. It definitely works and can flush a lot of earwax out of the ear.